Hi everyone, we're doing a microwave install. First step is to take off the old microwave, and you probably need help doing that, as I did. Next step is to set up all the wall brackets, and that's easily done by taking off the old one and using the templates that come with the microwave. So you'll have a wall template, you'll also have an upper shelf template. Lay it on the wall, mark off your holes, make adjustments to what is necessary for fastening. Be certain to apply the templates as best as you can. I ended up using the wall template pretty well, but then for the under the shelf template, my alignment was a bit off, and as a result, you'll see me having to re-drill the holes a few times. So if you notice why the microwave comes up and down, that's the reason. I had to readjust the holes. They were further forward than they should have been. Next, you'll need to make adjustments to the top of the microwave to adjust the motor depending on which way you're venting. We're venting directly up, so I had to rotate the motor 90 degrees and attach the duct flap and adapter. Here I'm measuring up the duct flap and adapter, and I'm noticing that I'm probably going to have a problem with a piece of oak that's part of my cabinetry in the back, so I'll have to find a solution to that. But first I'm going to do another dry fit to see how it works out. So I did discover that that piece is sticking too far out from, I guess, where my old microwave was. So as a result, I'm using a oscillating saw to basically cut in place about a ½ inch strip of the oak that makes up the back wall. I'm hoping this will take care of it as I clean up the cut. So the alignment is good, but now I'm discovering that there's issues with the front bolts that I'll need to make oblong now and adjust. So this is what you'll see me going back and forth. As a note, putting on and off the microwave was slightly difficult because I had a countertop light. You'll see that white cord going diagonally on the left side, and that just made things a little more difficult, a tight fit to fit in there. With the top fasteners in place, all that's left is to reconnect the ductwork. Thank you.